The best time to plan your early retirement was yesterday. The next best time is today. Sabi nila, the best time to start was yesterday. Pero kung hindi mo nagawa noon, the next best time is today. Habang nagdadalawang isip ka pa, tuloy-tuloy ang pagtaas ng bilihin. Tumatanda ka at lumalayo ang freedom na gusto mo. Pero wag kang matakot, hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. Every peso you save, every plan you make today is a step closer to your goal na magkaroon ng time freedom. Start learning, start saving, start investing. Start with Kaiser, yan ang recommended investment namin for beginners. Para meron ka ng healthcare, protection at investment sa isang financial solution. At sa IMG, matututo kang planuhin ang buong financial life mo. Huwag mong hintayin yung perfect time or God's perfect time. Dahil minsan, yung pagdidelay, yan ang dahilan kung bakit ka nauubusan ng oras. Kung gusto mong mas matuto pa sa tulong ng IMG, comment #ipon below for free coaching to know more about our financial literacy campaign. Retire early, live free, kayang-kaya basta may tamang gabay.